All right, everybody, how are we doing today? A little bit of a different video. I don't normally do videos charting Ethereum. There's a couple things that I want to look at and just kind of give you a perspective of what Ethereum is looking like, and then you can kind of compare it to Bitcoin. So we're going to chart a little bit of Ethereum today. It's going to be a little shorter of a video, but definitely some good stuff in here that I want you guys to take a look at. So let's hop into the charts. All right, so this is Ethereum on the weekly chart. Obviously, Ethereum, Bitcoin, very, very closely correlated, right? So these charts are going to look almost exactly the same, but there was some things I noticed on here that I guess I wasn't really looking for, and I'm already used to how I chart Bitcoin. So getting kind of a fresh perspective on the chart is what I was doing here. And I found these trend lines that I drew, and I found it very interesting that from our previous top here, we did retest this trend line. Originally, I just had this drawn out to here or so. And, once we got this candle, this is when we thought that we were going to be breaking out, but we rejected here. So I said, what's going on? So I actually drew this out further, and we actually just recently retested this not too long ago. So we've got this channel here, but then within that channel, we have this main channel that we've been in, right? So kind of like a channel within a channel. But what I noticed is that what's happening here is they're extremely closely correlated. You can see that this median line wraps up perfectly as a major level of support and resistance. So now what's ended up happening is, last month or whatever, we broke through the top of this channel. We retested it immediately, and now we're battling to break through the top. I expect to see something along these lines where we retest that, and then we come up here to retest this resistance level at $785. So it's in general just looking extremely bullish here, right? So we've been coming up and staying in definitely the top half of the RSI, which is very good. Even if we get a bearish cross here, which we probably will, I think we're going to stay in bullish territory here. And even the ATR has been, looking pretty good. It's staying above $50, which is very nice. So let's project this wave that we're having right now. Let's project this. Let's say that this whole wave is a 1 and this is a 2. So we'll measure wave 3 projected from the length of 1 and 2. And this is pretty much where I'm expecting targets to get hit, right? So let's come down to a daily chart and break this down a little bit. So you can see it's projected against the 2, which would be here. So we've got our low down here. Okay, we've got our high up here of this first main impulse wave. This is my midterm target, okay? So this is why I think that this is probably what's going to end up happening. We're kind of stuck right now in this golden pocket, right? And that's a very important place to be. Normally, when you're in the middle of an uptrend, after you've had your first retracement, normally that's going to be a main level of support. That's what we're seeing now. And we did dip below it. Temporarily, we tested the top of this yellow trend line. We tested our 0.5 Fibonacci. We came back up. We couldn't quite break through. We kind of like double tapped or triple tapped resistance up here in the $625 area. And now, we're seeing another retracement where we're struggling to try and stay here in this golden pocket. So what I think is going to happen is I think we stand a chance of making a higher low compared to here, right? Or we could just go sideways for a while and, see something like this and then hit it again before we take off. But either way, one thing is for sure, until some of these levels get broken in either direction, either to the short side or to the long side, I'm not trading Ethereum on this. This is very, very choppy on the high time frame chart. I'm not taking any long-term swings. on Ethereum. So this is my target, and the reason why is because we've got a major level of resistance there at 785, and you've also got your 1272 Fibonacci level there. Our MACD has just been kind of starting to move sideways. Our RSI is starting to climb down onto just the mid ground here around 50, which is good. You've got the ATR tapering off, which is good. That means that we're seeing a period of consolidation right now. We're directly under major resistance, which is good. As long as these levels don't break and we hold this trend line right here at about $500, I think we should be okay. In my Telegram, I think it was a couple days ago, I don't remember, maybe 2 or 3 days ago, I was doing some analysis on this. I think that we come up and we potentially try to retest this. If you look left, we've got this area of resistance here at $575. Breaking through this trend line is a good start. Breaking through our 70% Fibonacci level would be fantastic. Being able to break through this resistance up here, at the end of the day, this is pretty much what we're going for, is we need to see a break of about $615, $620. Once we start getting 4-hour and daily closes above $620, that's when I would be looking for a quick retest of our all-time high here, or whatever, not our all-time high, but major support. This would be flipping into support. I would be looking for a retest of that. And then, pretty much the sky is the limit for this. We could go as high as $750 to $800. That's pretty much what I'm going to be looking for, guys. All right, everybody, that's pretty much all I have for you today. If you want to see me charting Ethereum more, let me know down in the comments below. I really appreciate that. Hit me up. Let me know if this is the kind of content that you want to be seeing. Make sure that you check out all the links in the description below. A lot of the tools that I use personally to be charting with, trading with, and everything. There's like discounts and stuff down there for you guys. All of that good stuff. All of my social links are in there as well. Twitter, Telegram, all of that good stuff. My dedicated followers, you guys that are subscribers to my YouTube, you're more than welcome to go in there. It's completely free. I don't charge or anything like that. So make sure that you guys check that out and stay tuned for the next video, which I'm actually going to be reviewing one of the tools that I use for trading that has just recently undergone a massive upgrade to their entire web platform. It's really, really awesome. I'm going to be super excited. Probably good for a Monday video at the latest. With all that said, if I don't see you guys tomorrow, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you all on Monday, and happy trading.